Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here, and I am here setting up my week in my bullet journal. So I did this a little bit ahead of time. I have been using a different style weekly, but because I've been doing that weekly so much, it's the rolling weekly where you have like the Alistair method type of weekly. But because I've been doing that so much, I wanted to do something a little bit different for this video. So I decided to cut out and do some color blocking. So as you guys know, my theme for this month is a biology theme. So it's mostly just a lot of like cell parts and DNA strands and um, really I'm doing a lot of cluttering and I've really enjoyed the cluttered doodles, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and like keep that theme going into June. Not this theme, but like the theme of having a lot of elements on the page that are just like little bits and bobs that go all over the page. So I think I'm going to adjust the theme that I was originally going to do so that I can include that as well. So I decided to use the Archer and Olive rainbow paper for this particular weekly, and then do it in a horizontal style of weekly. So each of these boxes is going to represent a day. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday on the left, Thursday, Friday, and then the weekend on the right. I don't think that there are plans for this weekend. I think this is like the one weekend that we don't have plans. So I decided that it was probably okay to combine them anyways. One of the reasons why I stopped doing weeklies is because I was really annoyed with myself when I didn't fill in the weekends. But honestly, I'm at a place in my bullet journaling and my journaling where I don't give a crap anymore. As long as like the day that I'm working on it, I'm good, then I'm good. Like that's it. If there's empty spaces, I don't care. My perfectionist is done. I just want to get through life to be quite frank with you. So, yeah, so basically that's what I am doing here is getting through life. So I've been using a lot of different planners recently, just kind of exploring different options. Basically, depending on the day, I'll use different things. And honestly, it's been working out, even if it's like a little it gives me a little bit of anxiety, but it has been working out. So I'm not going to kick a gift horse in the face or whatever that phrase is. My dad would say phrases like that. Does anyone else have dads that do that? That like they use really old timey styles of like phrases. My dad does, and I remember that it used to be a big thing with my soccer team because he was my coach for my soccer team, and like he would say something just so out there that none of us had ever heard before, and like we would just rip on him, like anyways, that's not what this video is about. But basically, I wanted to give you kind of a map of what's going on business wise. So I have some new things coming up soon, and it's going to be happening in August. Basically, I am making every single collection of stickers into digital files right now. So I'm really excited about that. I hired a shop manager to assist me when it comes to kind of doing that whole revamp, because honestly, it's something that I've wanted to do for a while, but life is hard. And I'm definitely trying to take a little bit more of a back seat. I'm finding it very difficult to focus on my business when there's a lot of other developments happening in my life, personal, professional. So it is very difficult for me to maintain what I was doing for the last 2 years. And especially because, like, for work, I mean, work is ramping up. I'm going back into the office. I'm getting a lot more involved in certain types of projects. At some point, I'll be moving towards more of a management chain. So it is a lot, and I do want to grow myself in my work as well. So that's not to say that Erin Floto Designs is going anywhere. I'm just trying to navigate more towards, if you are a patron, you'll be getting stickers. If you are outside of that, um, unless they're ready to ship items like stencils or something like that, then I'm navigating more towards digital things. And honestly, it's just because it's a lot of work to cut stickers and it's a lot of time commitments that I probably just won't have a lot of time for in the future. My passions and my focuses are changing. Um, so yeah. So anyways, that's what's going on. I'm doing a lot more YouTube and less shop stuff. So it's going to be mostly going digital, and I hope you all are cool with that. So anyways, this is my weekly setup, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone.